Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the parts of speech in the English grammar. Parts of speech are the core functionality of the English grammar. Whenever you are building any sentence in the English grammar, these are the most important things which give the meaning to the sentences. Combinedly, every parts of speech give the meaning to your English sentence. Parts of speech are the basic categories of words in the language based on their grammatical function and the meaning. They are the building blocks of sentence and they help to convey the meaning. There are mainly 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, conjunction, preposition, and intersection. Let's learn about one by one of these parts of speech. First of all, go through the nouns. Nouns are basically name of person, place, things or idea. Examples are like John, city, happiness. जो भी चीज के लिए आप नाम दे रहे हैं उसको नाउन कहा जाता है. Types of these nouns are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun. Let's see examples of these types one by one. Proper nouns: John, London. Any particular noun given to any name, it is the proper noun. Common noun: dog, city. Any collective noun like family, team. These are the collective nouns. Abstract nouns: happiness, love. Any emotions that come under the abstract noun. Concrete noun like books, chair, or like any materialistic noun. These come under the concrete noun. The next part of speech is the verbs. Verb यानी क्रियापद. Definition of the verb: the word that properly says the action or the state of the noun. Examples of the verb are run, be, have. जो भी वर्ड सेंटेंस में क्रिया दर्शाता है उसको वर्ब कहा जाता है, यानी कि हिंदी में क्रियापद कहा जाता है. टाइप्स ऑफ द वर्ब्स आर एक्शन वर्ब्स, लिंकिंग वर्ब्स, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स, मॉडल वर्ब्स and transitive or intransitive verbs. Action verbs means the dynamic words. Run, jump means you are doing any action that is stated under this action word. These verbs are the dynamic words. Linking, static verbs. Be, seem, it is seem to be. These are the linking verbs. These are mainly connecting verbs, you can say. Auxiliary verbs, it is model auxiliary verbs, come under this category. Like can, have, do. Transitive and the intransitive verbs. We will see in detail explanation about these transitive and intransitive verbs in the upcoming videos. The next part of speech is the adjective. Definition of adjective is the word that modifies nouns and pronouns. जो भी word noun या pronoun के बारे में अधिक जानकारी दे उसे adjective कहा जाता है. Examples of the adjectives are happy, blue, big. There are many types of the adjectives as well, like quantitative adjective, qualitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. Let's see examples of these one by one. Quantitative adjectives means the adjective those define the quantities 3, 5, 2, 1. Qualitative adjectives means the adjectives that define the quality happy, beautiful, etc. Demonstrative adjective means the adjective that is denoting any particular thing like this, that, etc. Interrogative adjective means the adjective that is used for the questioning which, what, how, and etc. The next part of speech is adverbs. Definition of adverbs is the word that modifies the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. एडवर्ब ऐसे वर्ड है जो क्रियापद या फिर विशेषण या फिर एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस एडवर्ब्स आर क्विकली, वेरी, वेल. There are many types as well. Manner adverbs. The adverbs that denoting the manner are the manner adverbs. Quickly, loudly. Time adverbs. The adverbs that are denoting the time in the sentence, like yesterday, soon. Place adverbs. The adverbs that are denoting the place, here, there, where. These are adverbs that are denoting the place. Frequency adverbs. Often, rarely means how much frequently you are using or you are doing something, that is denoted by these adverbs. These are the frequency adverbs. The next part of speech is the pronouns. Definition of pronoun is the word that replaces nouns. जो भी चीज़ जो आपको नाउन के बदले आप यूज कर सकते हो उसे pronoun कहा जाता है. Examples are he, she, it, they. Types of the pronouns are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Let's learn about examples of these types one by one. Personal pronouns means the pronouns that are used for any person like I, you, he. Possessive pronouns means the pronouns that are denoting possessiveness, like possession of particular thing to some nouns. These pronouns are mine, yours, his. Reflexive pronouns. The pronouns that are particularly used as a reflection, reflexive. Myself, herself, himself. Demonstrative pronouns. The pronouns that are used for the demonstration. This, that, there. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns that are used for the questioning. Who, what, where. The next part of speech is the preposition. Definition of the preposition is the word that shows the relationship between words. जो भी word सेंटेंस में दो वर्ड्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप बताता है उसे preposition कहा जाता है. Examples are in, on, under, with. Types of the preposition are words of location, in, on. Words of direction, to, from. Words of time, at, during. There are many more types as well. We'll see those in the upcoming videos. Conjunction. The next part of speech that we are going through is the conjunction. The definition of conjunction is the word that connect the words or clauses. जो भी वर्ड दो अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस या फिर वर्ड्स या फिर क्लॉजेस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है उसे कंजंक्शन कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द कंजंक्शंस आर एंड, बट, और. There are two types as well: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction means and, but. These conjunction comes under the coordinating conjunction. And subordinating conjunctions are because, although, that is denoting the reason. These come under the subordinating conjunction. Interjections. Definition of interjection is the word that expresses emotion. जो भी वर्ड सेंटेंस में इमोशन दिखाता है उसे इंटरजेक्शन कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द इंटरजेक्शंस आर ओह, वाओ, आउच. इंटरजेक्शन को पहचानने के लिए आसान तरीका ये हो सकता है कि इसके साथ एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क तो रहता ही है. की पॉइंट्स while learning the parts of speech. Understand the context to determine the word function. जो भी word sentence में है उसका context क्या है, वो किस चीज को डिनोट कर रहा है, वो पहले समझ लो. Parts of speech categories can overlap. Means दो एक ही वर्ड दो चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है. Accurate identification improves the sentence structure understanding. That's it from this video. Stay tuned, keep learning, stay happy.
That's it from this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, keep learning, and stay happy. Share this video to your friends and hit the like button if you like the video.